warning, the footage you're about to see is done by trained professionals only. Do not attend this at your local cafe. Can I get a snack?
Okay, what would you like?
Potato popcorn.
Okay. Would you like a bowl?
I'm good.
I'm gonna give you one anyway, just in case. Yeah.